Welcome, in front of me I have GARMIN Bounce 2 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. So first thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you open the menu, scroll through it and look for the option called the settings. And after you find the settings, tap on it to enter. In settings, find the option called sound and vibe and tap on it, and here select the volume. And now make sure that the mute off is disabled, or mute all, my bad, is turned off, and then we can adjust the volume for the voice and system by sliding on the slider, or by tapping on one of the options and then tapping on the plus and minus buttons. And once you're done adjusting, you can press the lower button to go back to watch face if you press it a few times, like this. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.